Hi sellers! Welcome back to Tartala PH. So, meron po tayo ngayong pick-a-card reading para sa mga tao na gusto ng mensahe patungkol sa kanilang love life na medyo conflicted or baka separated kayo, no contact, no communication, or recently nagkaroon kayo ng breakup or cool off. So, meron po tayong dalawang cards dito sa ating harapan. Meron tayong card na ito. Tingnan natin. Ayan. So, this is card number 1 for group number 1, guys. And this is card number 2 for group number 2. Ayan. So, mamili lang po kayo ng isang card para sa inyo. And I will start with group number 1 dito. And then I'll give you a moment to choose. Hi Stellar! So ito po ang mensahe ng mga pumili ng card number 1. So let's set this aside and let's see kung ano yung message ng universe para sa inyong lahat regarding sa inyong love life. Okay? We have chasing. Alright. We have shallow. We have elusive. We have soulmates. And we have intuition. So, nakakita ko dito guys, parang hinahabol kayo nitong tao na to or may naghahabulan dito sa relationship nyo. Kasi very deep yung connection yung dalawa. Very deep and malakas yung telepathy yung dalawa. Parang kapag nag-iisip kayo sa isa't isa, bigla na lang kayo nagsasabay ng text. Alam mo yun? Yung parang iti-text mo pa lang sila, na-text na nila kayo, ganyan. And may mga certain energies din na nagpapakita na very shallow itong foundation nyo. Kahit nandoon yung feeling na very well connected kayo sa isa't isa, medyo shallow yung foundation nyo. Ibig sabihin, parang hindi kayo in pursuit of long-term commitment, no? At dahil doon, parang naghahabulan kayo, parang ganun. And medyo toxic itong energy kahit nandun yung desire na or idea na baka soulmates kayo kasi marami kayong commonalities itong person na to, no? Marami kayong common grounds or similarities. Let's say kung mahilig kayo sa movies, parehas kayong ng genre na gusto, and kung mahilig kayo sa sports, supporter yung isang person na yon, or same kayo ng work, ng field, parang ganyan. Pero nakikita ko na medyo mababaw ang inyong foundation kasi parang isa sa inyo hindi to nakikita as a long term commitment. Medyo very tricky itong person na to, parang pinaparamdam nila na soulmate kayo pero nakikita nyo na come and go sila. At medyo may pagka-toxic itong person na to. Lagi silang dapat tama or manipulative yung kanilang energy. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. And let's see kung ano pa yung sasabihin ng universe regarding this connection. So, let's set this up parang to make way for other cards. Tingnan natin ang sasabihin ng universe regarding this energies. Okay. We have here secrets. Ayan. Love affair. So, baka may love affair itong person na to. Hindi nila sinasabi sa'yo, no? Okay. So, may nahulog lang, guys. We have adrenaline. So, ito nga very come and go itong person na to. Medyo magulo silang mag-isip. Manipulative din yung energy nila. Parang gusto lang nila passion. Ganon. Yan o, parang pinapa-feel nila na focus sila sa inyo pero meron pala silang ibang agenda. Parang ganon. So, tingnan pa natin. We have mask. Ayan, no, pretending. So, itong person na to, baka meron din siyang other prospect, hindi lang ikaw. Parang pinaparamdam talaga nila sa'yo na, ano eh, kaya nga very tricky eh, no? Very elusive itong person na to. Kasi nga, gusto nilang iparamdam sa'yo na soulmates kayo. O baka hindi nagkataon. O kahit nararamdaman mo na soulmate kayo kasi marami kayong commonalities, pero itong person na to, hindi sila seryoso. Ganyan. We have gossip. Okay? Baka itong person na to is, they're gossiping to other friends na nakuha nila yung gusto nila sa'yo, yung parang ganyan. Alam niyo, yung mga barkada. Papababae, mapalalaki, pare-parehas lang yan na parang, uy, alam mo, nakapag-date ako sa ganito, sa crush ko, ganyan, and, or itong guy na to, itong girl na to, parang nag-date kami, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. So, parang pinag-uusapan kayo nitong person na to. Parang pinag-uusapan nila kayo with their friends, no, sa mga barkada nila, sa mga peers nila. So, parang meron silang, nagbabody count itong person na to. So, mag-iingat ka dito kasi parang gusto lang nila ng good time, adrenaline lang, nagra-rush lang sila sa relationship agad-agad kasi sinisikreto din nila ito. May secret sila. They're pretending na mabait silang tao, parang gano'n. We have here heartbreak, shattered. So, mag-ingat kayo kasi itong person na to baka hindi talaga sila genuine sa inyo, ano? And we have here text message, unsent messages. So, parang finifilter nila itong mga message nila sa inyo. No, parang nambobola itong tao na ito. And we have signs, meanings. Ayan. So, be careful sa mga signs and meanings, no? Baka sinasabi ng inyong spirit guides na hindi ito ang right person para sa inyo. So, dapat maging aware kayo sa paligid nyo. Meron silang proposal, meron silang commitment para sa inyo. Tingnan natin kung ano itong commitment na ito. Okay? Parang meron silang promise na gustong sabihin. Reconciliation, rebuild. So, itong person na to, they come and go. Parang susuyuin ka nila, tapos bigla silang maglalaho, or bigla silang maglalamig, yung ganon. Very unstable itong energy na nakakita ko dito kasi although they want to send you or propose to you na, or hindi siya necessarily proposal na commitment, but this person parang sinusuyo ka nila kasi gusto nilang paniwalaan ka sa kung ano yung mararating ng connection yung dalawa. Parang yun ang nakikita ko. So, kapag ka nagkaroon sila ng pagkakamali or nagtampo ka, bigla silang babalik sa inyo, naghahabulan kayo, yung gano'n, hinahabol ka nitong person na to. Kasi feeling mo naman, pag hinahabol ka nitong person na to, nararamdaman mo na, ay, mahal na mahal niya talaga ako, yung gano'n. Pero sa totoo lang, marami siyang secrets. Okay? At hindi lang siguro ikaw yung pinagagawa niya ng ganitong tactic. So, tingnan natin ang mga thoughts and feelings itong person na to using our tarot. Let's see. We have, Seven of Swords. So, itong person na to, marami siyang secrets, marami siyang trickeries. Yan, marami siyang mga energies na very manipulative. Sometimes they tell you half-truths, mga ganyan, hindi yung totoong nangyari. Yung mga lang. 10 of Wands. Medyo burdensome ito sa inyo, guys. Kasi parang kayo yung nag-e-effort to know the truth, pero hindi nila binibigay sa inyo yung truth. No? 7 of Swords, a very tricky energy. 7 of Cups, yes. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, baka hindi lang ikaw talaga yung person involved in his life or her life. Kasi itong person na to, marami siyang options. Yes, very sanay siya sa ganitong lifestyle. Yun ang nakikita ko. Okay, and 3 of Wands. Itong person na to, may mga other commitments. And they won't tell you about this. Marami silang mga plano in the future. And sometimes they are look the other way. Parang ganon. Look at this person. They're looking at other view. So, hindi sila nakaharap sa inyo. Okay? They have other plans aside from you. Parang ganyan. We have King of Pentacles. So, itong person na to, they appear as genuine. They want to appear as very foundational lang kanilang, or very good ang kanilang intention. Parang ganon. And they tend to have a lot of money. Parang ganon. Marami silang mga pera, kaperahan, ganyan. Magaling sila sa pera. Okay, so this person, they're trying to be defensive sa mga movements nila or sa mga agendas nila. Dinedefend nila yung sarili nila. King of Swords. Minsan, you feel like, you need to calm them down kasi medyo aggressive ang kanilang energy. Mabilis silang mairita. The Empress. So, parang meron silang energy na yung parang they put you in the pedestal. Parang ganon. They try to put you in the pedestal. Or they want to impregnate you. Parang ganon. Kasi the Empress is about pregnancy, fertility, pure love. Parang ganon yung pinapakita nila. However, yung King of Swords is not a loving energy. Okay? It's not a loving energy. We have Two of Pentacles. So, they come and go. No? They are indecisive. Hindi sila makapag-decide kung ikaw na ba talaga or what not. Okay? We have the Queen of Pentacles. But they see you as someone, ito, we have a power couple here. Like I mentioned earlier, they tend to give you an idea na parang soulmate energy kayo. Parang ganun. Marami kasi kayong similarities. This is a power couple. Bira mangyari to, the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles is on the same spread. So, I think this person, they tend to let you believe that you are their soulmate or parang maganda yung patutunguhan ng relationship nyo. So, tingnan natin other channeled messages. No? Have I lost everything? Reach out. I think we should see other people. Ayan, parang hindi sila seryoso. Minsan hindi sila seryoso sa inyo. Magulo sila. Do you even care? Ano to pa, baby tong person na to? Gustong inaalagaan sila. Kasi ganun yung energy ng Queen of Pentacles. Maalaga kang person. You care genuinely. And we have, I don't want to lose you. Parang yun sasabihin nila para lang ma-win ba kanila. No? Ito yung madalas na ginagamit, I don't want to lose you. Pag sinasabi to, parang feeling mo mahal na mahal ka ng tao. Ganon. Kasi may mga tactic tong person na to. Okay, so let's see other messages before we end. I'm afraid to contact you. You speak to me through music. So, baka ano kayo, meron kayong commonalities in terms of favorite music, favorite artists. I feel you even though we are apart. Ayan. And then we have, I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, parang meron silang ginagawang hindi maganda. They're telling you half-truth talaga no guys? And what else? We both know I'm not the one for you. Parang alam nila na hindi talaga to parang alam nila, may idea sila na baka hindi kayong magkatuloyan nito. So, ayan guys, this is your reading. I hope it helped you, enlighten you, and give you clarity in your relationship with no contact person, no communication, or separated or recently separated kayo nitong person na to. This is your reading. I hope to see you next time, Stellars. Love and light. Namaste. Hi, Stellars! So, ito po ang card number 2 na napili nyo. So, tingnan natin ang mensahe ng universe regarding sa no contact, no communication, separated na relationship. na meron kayo ngayon. So, kung hindi kayo separated or no contact, no communication, so, magantay na lang po kayo ng other readings ko kasi itong pick a card reading nito ay para sa mga no contact or separated, okay? So, tingnan natin ang mensahe ng universe para sa inyo, guys. Let's see what we have here for you. Okay, we have conflicted. Ayan. So, may mga multiple choices itong person na to. Loyalty. So, hindi mo alam kung trustworthy itong person na to. No? Kasi very conflicted ang kanilang energies. Hot and cold sila. Marami silang mga multiple choices. Ganyan. Okay, we have beauty. Very charming itong person na to. Okay? Very charming. Siguro, mahilig sila mag-gym. Very attractive itong person na to. Very nice. Alam mo, very nice person. Parang ganyan. Pero marami pala silang choices or maraming nagkakagusto dito sa tao na to. We have return, second chance, opportunity, making amends. So, itong person na to, may possibility na mag-return sa buhay mo. They probably contact you. Parang ganyan. We have cloudy judgment, illusions, unbalance, distorted. So, itong person na to, hindi pa nakakapag-decide kung anong gusto nila sa buhay nila. So, hindi nila alam kung ikaw ba yung gusto talaga nila or whatnot. Kasi marami silang options. Okay, marami nagkakagusto sa tao na to. No? Swerte naman nila. Okay, so tingnan pa natin other messages ng universe para sa inyo, guys. Let's see. Dahil itong person na to, maraming distraction sa paligid niya or maraming nagkakagusto sa kanya. Ganyan. We have twin flames. So, itong person na to, you mirror each other, no? Well, I don't really believe in twin flames kasi mas believable sa akin ng soulmates. Depende rin naman sa inyong belief yan. But you mirrored each other's feelings. Okay? We have here denial, contradicting, refusal, dismissal, not facing reality. So, itong person na to, probably dinedeny nila yung feelings nila sa inyo, but they really like you. Okay? Although they want a second chance with you, parang ganyan, no? May gusto nila ng second chance sa inyo. Although hindi nila alam kung ano yung gusto talaga nila mangyari dito sa relationship or sa romantic connection nyo. We have a call, okay? Hearing from, conversation, talking, and blocking. So, probably, mag-a-unblock kayo sa isa't isa. Magkakaroon kayo ng communication nitong person na to ulit. No? We will contact you time. So, itong person na to, pinag-iisipan niya lahat ng movement as of the moment. No? Mga movement for the future. Movement towards you, okay? So, itong person na to, pinag-iisipan nila kung babalik pa sila or ano ba yung perfect time para mag-usap kayo ulit. Okay, locked. Missing pieces, detached, locked away, heart can't move forward. So, itong person na to parang hindi pa nila sure kung talagang kayo talaga yung para sa isa't isa. So, meron silang tendency mag-detach. No? They're taking their time mag-isip. No? Sana nakakita nyo lahat ng cards sa screen. Ayan. And let's see what else we have for you guys. We have here new love, renewed hope. So, may hope pa itong relationship na to. We have mask, not showing true self. So, hindi sila masyadong showy or hindi sila masyadong nagsasalita about their feelings, no? Or kung ano yung talagang what they're thinking about. Hindi sila talaga verbal pagdating doon. Hindi sila expressive na tao. We have divine timing. Like, may time, divine time. So, itong person na to, lalapit lang sila kapag na-feel nila yung right time. Which is, I don't know kung ano yung perspective nila sa right time na yon. Kasi, alam mo yon, may mga tao na nag-aabang lang ng tiyempo. I don't believe in right time. Kasi ako kung anong gusto ko, gagawin ko. Kung yung ayaw ko, hindi ko gagawin. Ganon. I don't believe in right time. Ewan ko lang sa inyo guys. We have here blocked. Ayan, may mga blocked or blockages sa inyo guys. Maaring nag-block kayo sa isa't isa sa social media. Or may mga obstacles along the way sa relationship na ito. Diba? Okay, we have here friends, influence. So, kung sino man ang nag-i-influence ng inyong relationship, malaki ang factor na could be barkada, peers, or company nila, pinagtatrabahuan nila, yung mga friends nila sa company na yon. So, yun ang nakakita ko dito. Parang may mga influences ang kanilang friends regarding this relationship. Is either ayaw ka ng mga friends ng tao na to or ayaw mo sa friends nila. So, yun ang nakakita ko. So, malaking factor dito ang friendship. Okay? Or baka friends kayo, may common friends kayo, ganyan. So, very big factor yung mga friends surrounding your connection. Kaya siguro may conflict. Kaya siguro nanghihingi ito ng tiyempo, no? Nanghihingi ito ng tiyempo. Or baka tinatanong nila sa mga friends mo, ano yung perfect time para magbalikan kayo. Kasi nafe-feel ko parang gusto nilang bumalik. No? Nag-aantay lang talaga sila ng tamang panahon at tamang sasabihin sa inyo guys. So, let's see kung ano yung sasabihin ng universe regarding your tarot. Ano yung mga energies ng inyong situation. No communication, no contact. Separated. We have here 6 of Cups. Namimiss kayo nitong tao na to guys. Very, very much missing you. May good times and bad times kayo nitong person na to. Very important sa kanila yung mga memories nila with you guys. Okay, Stellar. So, meron kayong The Emperor. Itong The Emperor kasi, parang ano sila parang ito yung energy na talagang malalim mag-isip, malalim magplano, very, very direct din sila magsalita, very, well-planned ang kanilang buhay. And I really think, itong Emperor na to, very relevant siya sa divine timing or time oracles kanina, no? So, kahit ito, sa believe in right timing. Kasi, yung The Emperor, hindi siya, impulsive. Very planado lahat ng kanyang movement sa buhay niya. Parang ganon. So, we have 9 of Cups and very much, they really like you a lot. Alam mo yun? Gustong-gusto kanila. Parang happy feel ka nitong person na to. They're very happy when they are around you. Parang ganon. We have the strength. So, this could be the reason why kung bakit sila nag-aantay ng perfect timing kasi kailangan nila ng strength to speak with you or courage para explain ang kanilang side. Parang ganon. We have Knight of Cups. So, they really want to message you in a loving way. It's coming from a place of love. It's coming from a place of missing you very much. You may be dealing with water sign, no? Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. So I see a lot of cups here. But not necessarily naman yun ang person mo. So, take whatever that resonates lang naman. So, itong 6 of Cups and Knight of Cups, nakikita ko na gustong-gusto kanilang kausapin. It's just that I think, pinaplano lang nila lahat yung gagawin. Inaantay nila yung strength, like emotional strength to speak with you kasi baka yung pag-message nila sa inyo is something very emotional para sa kanila. Okay, we have here the Knight of Swords. Yeah, they really want to communicate with you. Okay, they're coming towards you with the right mindset. Parang very positive sila na mag-uusap kayo ulit. Yes, they really, really want you in their life. The 4 of Wands. Gustong-gusto kanila talaga, in a sense na gusto kanilang makasama. And also, the 4 of Wands is an energy of marriage, energy of celebration. Okay, this person really loves to be with you, to be around you. Okay, mayroon tayong 5 of Swords. So, yan nga, yung may conflict dito, no? Conflict of other things, maybe other factors na nakaapekto sa inyong energy, sa inyong connection. And they are at war at their hearts and minds. So, itong person na to, parang gusto nila kausapin ka, pero in their mind, at the back of their mind, parang hindi nila alam kung tatanggapin mo pa sila or hindi na. So, this is a conflict between heart and mind sa person na nasa isip mo ngayon. We have the Four of Pentacles. They're very guarded here. They like to guard their hearts kasi baka maging emotional sila sa inyo. At a sense na natakot sila maging emotional for you. Yun yung kinakatakot nitong person to. Ace of Cups, they really love you. This is genuine love. Okay. So, let's see kung ano yung mga channeled messages. Any channeled messages. We have here, you are wrong. Baka yung judgment mo sa kanila is wrong. You are so beautiful. Why do you need me? Okay, parang they really are attracted to you. You are my everything. Yeah. Okay, so yun yung mga channeled messages. Parang gusto ka talaga nila eh. Kasi alam mo tong you are my everything. Feeling ko ito yung energy ng 9 of Cups kanina. No? Ito yun eh, yung 9 of Cups. 'Di ba? So, tingin ko ito yung energy na gusto nila talagang sabihin sa'yo na you are their wish fulfillment. I am so much pain. So, they are in pain because they are missing you. We have the 6 of Cups, guys, no? We have 6 of Cups. They are missing you so much. Be more selfish. May pagkaganon sila, no? Parang, ano ka ba? Yung parang come and go. Kasi, they're guarded here. Ito yung energy ng 4 of Pentacles. Oo. They're guarding their heart kasi parang gusto lang nila maging selfish kasi baka maging vulnerable sila sa inyo. Arte nila, parang ganun. Okay. We have, I lost myself for a little while. Ayan. Now, they're coming back to you. Parang they really want to return. My life is not as together as it seems. Marami rin silang problema sa buhay nila, guys. Isa na kayo doon. May problema nila kayo. You came closer than anyone. Kasi ito nga yung 9 of Cups and 6 of Cups energy. They're very close to you and 9 of Cups din. You are close to their hearts and somehow, alam mo yun, ito tignan mo, di ba? Ito yung energy na yan. They're very close to you. They want to hold you. Okay, sorry. You don't know how hard it is to let you go. It was my fault but I blamed you. So, ayan. ito siguro yung energy na mag-a-apologize sila sa inyo. it's their fault pero sinisi ka nila. Yung mga ganun. Parang marami silang realization dito, guys. Anyway, this is your reading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, this is for no contact, no communication, separated, or recently parang nag-pull off kayo. This is your reading. I hope to see you next time. Love and light. Namaste.